Hello my people, welcome again to GLAATORY. On my today's video, I'll be showing you how I made these crispy french fries. Please watch to the end. You will know how to do it from the beginning to the end. Here I'm using these fresh potatoes to make this recipe. I'll be peeling it off. It's already washed. I'll be peeling off the skin. So if today is your first time you're seeing my video, you are highly welcome. And for my returning subscribers and followers, thank you so much for always tagging along with me. Here I'll peel it off and then I'll make sure as I finish I'll soak it in water so that it will not change color. You can see. So now I'll be using this my french fries cutter to make this job easier. You can use knife if you prefer, but I prefer to use this machine to do my cutting. You can see the cutting was so good. So if you see my video for the first time, please remember to subscribe and follow my page on my Facebook. I have finished the cutting. Now I'll be boiling it. So I'll let it boil. You can see it's getting ready to boil. Immediately start boiling, you just need to off the heat. Here I put water with some ice on it just to stop the cooking process. I will sieve everything out. And now you can see the cooking process has stopped. Now I'll be draining it out on my towel. And I'll use this to dry it up. So this very process is important if you want your fries to be very crispy. You have to towel dry it to make sure it's so crispy. So I added flour on top for just the coating in order to make it very crispy. So you can use flour or cornstarch, up to you. You can see this is very easy recipe. You can make it on your own. So why don't you give it a try? All you needed is Irish potato. Here I'll be packaging it because I will save it for next time. So because I made quite a lot, so I will package it and freeze them. So I'm sealing it in this bag. So this is very easy. I bet you can do it on your own. Here I heated my oil because I want to fry some of it. So make sure you add it when the oil is very hot. So remember, if you see my video for the first time, please subscribe and follow my page at GLAATORY Flavors, okay? And always comment, like my video, and please share. And see, it's very crispy. Hope you'll get to try this recipe. This is very easy. If you can make it, why do you need to buy? Thank you for watching, and I hope to see you again on my next video. Bye.